right, here we go again. Winter storm. Dang, 2010.
Number 2.
Oh, goodness. I don't think this is... I know, right? Ah. Oh, my goodness. Oh. Oh, shoot. It's coming down real fast. I don't think you can tell. Y'all are in the hood. You can't be making angels in the hood. My face hurts. It hurts my face.
Oh, you're right there. You freaking retard.
Girl, you on camera. Watch your mouth. And come here so I can capture how fast the snow is coming down.
Let's take a look at you.
No. No. Oh. I can't even look at y'all. Oh.
You like a...
Why y'all keep trying to get me? My face hurt.
Oh my gosh, turn. Get that.
Get my nappy head.
Look at her eyelash. What are you doing? Come back here.
You won't slip and fall. I can't see. Ow! It got in my eye. You missed. You missed again.